Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Today we're going to do a quick breakfast, okay? It's going to be a nice casserole dish that you can make for any brunch or any breakfast, and you can prepare it overnight if you like. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. So let's go ahead and get this party started. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a very quick and easy recipe to make. For my college students out there, my classmates, this would be a perfect dish for you to do when you come home late at nighttime or when you wake up early in the morning. You only need sausage, 6 eggs, 2 cups of cheese of your preference, and a can of Crescent Rolls. So what we're going to do first is open this pack of sausage. Go ahead and get it browned. Just wanted to let you know my upcoming videos, I will be making some crab cakes. Yum yum. I'm going to make some delicious wings with a twist for Super Bowl day. And a spicy chicken sandwich. So y'all look for those upcoming videos. I hate when football comes to an end. But it's okay because then I switch over to my basketball, my college basketball. I really don't get into pro basketball until the end of the summer because to me that's the longest sport. So we're just going to let this brown. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take. I have it on number 4. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg. So let's crack these eggs first. I know it has a little tab there, but don't ask me, y'all. I just can never open it up. So I don't know. I always poke a hole in it. You know, and if you have nails, it's probably the best thing for you to do so you won't break a nail like I normally would do. Now, in case you have never used this, you have 2 of these in there. Gently find the top or bottom of this because you don't want to tear it apart, okay? And gently pull away from it as such. See that? And that's going to lay perfectly on your 9 by 13 dish. Just like that. Let's get this second roll out of here. Try to stretch it so when we put the sausage and eggs in there, they won't go directly to the bottom. Because this is our base, pretty much, is what we're using. So if you need to stretch it out, go ahead and do that. But make sure that bottom is coated with the bread or the dough. And that should be sufficient. Our sausage is done. I'm going to drain. As you see, sausage is done. I'm going to drain this grease, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am so sorry. I do apologize. I thought I was recording, only to find out my storage was full on my iPhone. So, let me tell you what I did. I layered out the Crescent Rolls at the bottom. I drained the grease off of the sausage. I layered the sausage on top of the Crescent Rolls. I added in the 6 scrambled eggs, and then I put the cheese, the 2 cups, on top. The oven is preset for 350, so it is now going in. And again, I am so sorry. If y'all want me to remake this video, let me know in the comment, and I'll show you step by step exactly what I had done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after 30 minutes, look at this finished product. Oh my goodness. Does that not look delicious? It came out perfectly. Look at that golden crust around the edges. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. I know y'all ready to pig out, right? Let me get us a plate. I needed something quick and easy to make since I have a lot of homework to do. Let us cut into this breakfast casserole. Ooh, yes, Jesus. Here we go. Now, y'all know I'm greedy. So I'm going to cut straight across it in there so you can actually see. So let me pull this over here a little bit like this. I'm going to get me a nice piece out of here. Oh, I bet that crust is going to be fabulous. Maybe I should have oiled the bottom of the pan, but it didn't I didn't think about that. Maybe next time I will. But it still came out good, y'all. Look. Get that piece off of there. Voila. You got you something quick and easy for a breakfast. Look at that gorgeous crust. Oh, yes, Jesus. Y'all ready to pick out? Grab us a fork. Oh, yes. We're going in, y'all. Y'all want some hot sauce? Y'all can add some hot sauce. I don't need a knife, but I'm going to use one just to show you how delicious it looks on the inside. Look at that. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Y'all want a bite? Y'all get a bite? Let me turn it around for you. Now, if you want to use more sausage, you can use more sausage. Ooh. Y'all, this may be my go-to breakfast every weekend. I'm telling you, if you're a college student and you're going out on the weekend, make this dish before you go out, and you'll have it when you come back in. Oh, it's filling, y'all. It is very, very filling. Ooh. Now I just used Jimmy Dean's regular sausage. If you want to use the hot or the maple flavor, I'm sure that will work out just fine. So, ladies and gentlemen, without anything else, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. We are almost to our 700 goal. Keep sharing the videos. I really do appreciate it. Until then, God bless you and have a wonderful afternoon.